Dear students, now we are handling the topic of circles. Until previous class, we have discussed 18 sums in level 3 objective. Now, let us going to discuss about 18th question. 17 sums we have completed. Circles level 3 objective. Let us going to discuss 18th question today. If a tangent at 1, 2 to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 5, if a tangent at 1, 2 x square plus y square equal to 5 intersect the circle at P and Q. This is the circle x square plus y square is equal to 5, and this is the circle x square plus y square is equal to 9. If a tangent at 1, 2, put here the point P 1, 2. If a tangent 1, 2 to the circle x square plus y square equal to 5, intersect the circle x square plus y square equal to 9 at P and Q. This tangent drawn to the circle x square plus y square equal to 5, intersect the circle x square plus y square equal to 9 at P and Q. If tangents at P, Q to the second circle meet the point again at R, the tangent, this is the concept of tangents drawn at extremities of chord. Tangent drawn at extremities of chord, the locus of point of intersection of tangent drawn at extremities of chord is pole. So this is R. Then you should calculate R. So indirectly given that you should calculate nothing but a pole. Find pole. Find pole of 2. This is 1, this is 2. So first of all, find pole of 2. Pole of the line with respect to circle. Let us calculate the pole. Let us calculate the equation of tangent for 1, first circle. After calculating the equation of circle, we should calculate pole with respect to the second circle. Let us write equation of tangent. Equation of tangent at 1, 2 to first circle. According to formula s1 equal to 0, x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. Now this is the line. Find pole with respect to second circle. Find pole of 3. Pole of third line with respect to second circle. So the formula of the pole Lx plus ny plus n equal to 0 with respect to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square is minus a square l by n comma minus a square m by n. Here minus a square means minus 9 into this is 1, l equal to 1, m equal to 2, n is equal to minus 5. Here minus 9 by minus 5 and minus 9 into this is m means here 2 by minus 5. Minus of minus and minus will be getting cancelled. You can write here 9 by 5 comma 18 by 5 is the pole. It is coordinates of R. 18th question completed. Depends upon this 18th question. As usual 27 question is there. Same model. Let us discuss 27th question. AB is a chord of circle x square plus y square equal to 9. The tangent at AB intersect at C. AB is a chord of circle. Put AB. AB is a chord of circle x square plus y square equal to 9. The tangent at A and B intersect at C. Like this. This is C. If 1, 2 is the midpoint of A, B, put 1, 2 here. 1, 2 is the midpoint of AB, then area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is nothing but half into base into height. So C you should calculate. Draw the equation of circle. Write the equation of circle. X square plus y square minus 9 equal to 0. Now we should calculate equation of chord having the midpoint. Equation of chord having midpoint x1, y1 is having midpoint 1, 2 is formula s1 equal to s11. So we can write here x into 1. So x plus 2y minus 9 is equal to 1 plus 4 minus 9 get cancelled. So x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. X plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0 is the equation of chord having midpoint. X plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. According to this one, C is equal to pole. In the similar way, same model we can write here as pole is equal to 9 by 5 comma 18 by 5. 9 by 5 comma 18 by 5. Now we can calculate the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is half into base into height. So here half into base into height. So this is height. What is base means length of. This is length of chord is base. Depends upon the center 0 comma 0. Length of chord AB you can calculate. Length of chord is equal to 2 root r square minus d square. What is r? This is 3. D is equal to, depends upon this line, x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Depends upon x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. D is equal to perpendicular distance from 0 comma 0 to this line minus 5 by root 5. This is root 5. So AB is equal to, AB meaning is base of the triangle. AB is equal to base is equal to 2 root r square minus d square, 2 root 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 equal to 4, so 2 into 2 equal to 4. Now area I am writing. Area is equal to half into base into height. Half into base means AB and height means AC. So that is equal to, AC means the distance between 9 by 5 comma 1. A is equal to 1 comma 2. A is equal to 1 comma 2 and C is equal to 9 by 5 comma 8 by 5. C is equal to 9 by 5 comma 8 by 5. The distance between AC is equal to 9 by 5 minus 5 whole square. 9 minus 5 whole square, 4 whole square, 16 by 25 plus 8 by 5 minus 1 whole square, 5 to that 10, 8 minus 10, 4 by 5. 9 by 5 minus 5 whole square. 9 by 5 whole, 9 by 5 minus 1 whole square plus 8 by 5 minus 2 whole square. 9 by 5 minus 1 whole square plus 8 by 5 minus 2 whole square. We can write this one. AC is equal to 9 minus 5, 4, 16 by 5, 16 by 25 plus this is 8 minus 10, so 4 by 25. 9 by 5 minus 18 by 5. Depends upon the same form. 16 plus 4, 20, 20 by 25 over root. So this is, if we divide the table fourth one, so you can write fifth table 4 by 5 over root. So 2 by root 5 you can write. Area of triangle half into base into height. That is equal to 1 by 2 into here 4 into 2 by root 5. Half into base into, students, base means here AB, 2 root r square minus d square. Okay. 2 get cancelled, 4 by root 5. According to option, here it is second option. 27th question. He given fourth option is wrong. 7 by root 3 is not correct. 8 by root 5 may be it. Once again let us verify. If we do the distance, height is the perpendicular distance. If we calculate the height is perpendicular distance from the pole 9 by 5 comma 18 by 5 to chord. Height equal to perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance from C 9 by 5 comma 18 by 5 to chord. To chord x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. So we can write here 9 by 25 plus 30, 9 by 5 plus 36 by 5 minus 5 by over root 5. 9 plus 36 45, 45 by 5 9, 9 minus 5 4, 4 by root 5. This is 4 by root 5. Now area is equal to half into base into height. Half into base means here AB. AB means length of chord. Here 2 into root of 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 4. 4 means 2. 2 2s are 4. Base is 4. Half into base into height. Height is put here. This is B. PC. Height is equal to PC. So AB into PC. So half into here. This is 4. And this is 4 by root 5. 4. 2 will be dividing 2 times 2 4s are 8 by root 5. 2 4s are 8 by root 5. 27th question, 4th option is right, but 7 by root 3 is not right. Students, correct it as 8 by root 5. I know it very well. It is an old book. 8 by root 5 is correct answer. Now, let us discuss about next sum. Eighteen question completed. Now let us going to discuss about 19th question. Nineteenth one. If the chord of contact of tangents from a point on the circle x square plus y square equal to a square to the circle x square plus y square equal to b square touch the circle x square plus y square equal to c square, then the roots of the equation ax square plus 2bx plus c equal to 0 are necessary dash. 3 concentric circles are there. 3 concentric circles. If the chord of contact of tangent from a point on the circle to the circle, here this circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. From here, a point P you take, a point P x1 comma y1. From the point, this circle is a chord of contact. Chord of contact of this circle. This circle is x square plus y square equal to v square. And the chord of contact of second circle is a tangent of third circle. This third circle is x square plus y square equal to c square. So whatever the point P is there, the point P x1 comma y1 lie on the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. From that point, if we draw chord of contact, so what is meant by chord of contact? Like this. From an external point, if we draw 2 tangents, the line joining the points of contact is called as a chord of contact. So this is P. From P we have drawn 2 tangents. So the 2 tangents forms a chord of contact. The chord of contact is the tangent of the x square plus y square equal to c square. This is a rough diagram. Let us discuss about Px1 comma y1. Px1 comma y1 lie on circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. That implies we can write this one as x1 square plus y1 square equal to a square. Put it 1. Now, equation of chord of contact. Equation of chord of contact of x square plus y square is equal to b square is the notation s1 equal to 0, xx1 plus yy1 minus b square equal to 0. Since this line, since this is tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to c square. This chord of contact is tangent to, since this is tangent to the circle, x square plus y square equal to c square. So use r is equal to d from this one. This is center to this line. This is r is equal to d. D means it is r means c. Use r is equal to d. Using r is equal to d, then you can write modulus of minus b square. Formula of perpendicular distance from 0, 0 to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is mod c by root of a square plus b square. You can write here modulus of minus b square by x1 square plus y1 square equal to c. So b square by, here from 1 you can write a, because the point x1 y1 lie on the first circle x square plus y square equal to a square. So it is b square by a equal to c. You can write this one as b square is equal to ac. This one I said in IP also, and CUK also we discussed. B square is equal to ac. Now with 4 you multiply with 4 both sides, it becomes 4b square equal to 4ac, and next step you can write 4b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So he is asking about roots of ax square plus 2bx. Roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus 2bx plus c equal to 0. Delta you take here. Delta equal to 0. Delta equal to 0 means the formula b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Here you can write 4b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Therefore roots are equal. Whenever equal and real are real and equal. Whenever delta is equal to 0 for the quadratic equation, roots are real and equal. Here it is third option. Now let us going to discuss IMP question, 28th question. Triangle ABC is right angled at A. Triangle ABC is right angled at A. The circle with center A and radius AB cuts BC and AC internally D and E respectively. If BD is equal to 20 and DC is equal to 16, then length of AC equal to dash. Triangle ABC. Draw a circle like this. A circle is there. Triangle ABC is right angled at A. The circle with center A and AB radius. Put here, this is a center A. AB is radius. Put here as B. Center A and AB as radius. The circle with center A and radius AB cuts BC and AC internally at D and E respectively. Put here C. This is the point C. Draw a perpendicular line like this and like this. Whatever the matter he given, read once again. The circle with center A and B, radius AB, cuts BC and AC internally in D and E respectively. BC and AC, this is T. The line BC intersected the circle at D, and the line AC intersected the line AB. BC, AB cuts AB. It's okay, and cuts BC and AC internally at D and E respectively. So it is E. The triangle ABC, right angle at A, the circle with center A and radius AB, so okay, cuts BC and AC. It means triangle cuts the circle as AB and AC, BC at D and AC at A, and BD is equal to 20 he given. BD is equal to 20 and DC is equal to 60. Then you should calculate the length of AC. AC length. Draw a dotted line here and put here, this is F. From center to any point on the circle is called as radius, and this is also radius and this is also radius. Now we can use this is right angle triangle, right angle at A he said. In the right triangle we can discuss. In right triangle ABC, in right triangle ABC, we can use the concept AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. That implies AB square means R square. R square plus AC square is equal to BC, means here BD plus DC. BD is 20 and this is 16. So we can write this one as 36 whole square. Put here as first equation, which will be useful. Now we can write here as using the secant rule. Using secant rule. What is secant rule? Small into large is equal to small into large. If a point drawn, if a line drawn from an external point to the circle, if the line intersecting two distant points, then small dot large is equal to small dot large for both sides. So small is CE here, dot CF, it is large. Small is CD, dot CB. CE dot CF is equal to CD dot DB. I said proof also regarding PR dot PB is equal to S11 concept. CE, what is CE? You can use, depends upon CE as AC minus R. AC minus R. CF, you can write AC plus R. AC plus R is equal to CD, means CD full 36. CD means 36 and CB means 20. CD means 16 and CB 30. So 36 into 16. Otherwise 16 into 36. That implies this one you can written in the form of AC square minus R square. AC square minus R square equal to 36 into 16. This is second equation. Now we should calculate the value of AC. Now we can understand 1 plus 2. AC square plus R square and AC square minus R square will be getting cancelled. Then you can write now 2AC square is equal to, whenever 36 is taken common, we are doing plus, so 36 taken common, here you can write 16 plus 36. So AC square is equal to, AC square is equal to, this is 36 into 16 and 36, 52 by 2, 26. 52 by 2 equal to 26. So AC we need. AC is equal to 6 into root of 26. That's all. AC is equal to 6 into root of 26. Next 21 question is there. A chord of circle passing through origin and subtend an angle tan over 7 by 4 at the point where the circle meets positive y-axis, then we should calculate the equation of chord. Before going to discuss 21 sum, we should discuss about the concept of 21st question. Let us write the concept of 21st question. Concept of 21. Angle subtended by the chord of circle at any point angle subtended by the chord of circle at any point is equal to angle made by the tangent comma chord at the point of contact. This is the formula. angle subtended by the chord of circle to any point or at any point. At any point on the circle, the chord may subtend the angle. That angle, if it is theta, that angle is equal to angle made with the chord of the circle and the tangent at the point of contact. Let us draw the diagram, then you can understand. This is a chord. Put here A, B. Put here A and B. Better to draw in another. This is a chord. This chord, students, this is tangent. Put here, this is A and this is B. This chord subtending an angle theta here. Don't put the name theta or alpha or anything, simple. This is subtending or making. This angle is making an angle, something, whether it is alpha, theta or beta or anything. This angle should equal to this angle, wherever the chord and point of contact. This is theta. Now, how can it is possible? I am discussing with you as this is a tangent. This is tangent AF you put. AF is tangent. Whenever a tangent is there, for the circle we can discuss about normal. We know that the normal is the perpendicular line of tangent and which is passing through the point of contact. It's okay. This is normal. Put here, this is AB, that is F. I put this is C. Draw, join like this. Because why did you join, sir? Every normal passes through the center of circle. Whenever every normal passes through the center of circle, the normal became a diameter. Whenever diameter is there for a circle, the circle divides. The diameter divides the circle into two equal parts, which are called as semicircle. And angle in semicircle is a right angle. So here you can put this is right angle. This is right angle. We know that normal is nothing but perpendicular of tangent. Normal is perpendicular to proof I am discussing with you for the concept. Normal. Put here the name D. Normal AD perpendicular to tangent AF. Perpendicular to tangent AF. That means angle DAF is equal to 90 degrees. Let angle BAF is equal to theta. Let angle BAF is equal to theta. Therefore, angle BAD is equal to 90 minus theta. Angle DAF is equal to 90. This is 90 minus theta. This is pi by 2 minus theta. Since angle in semicircle is 90 degrees, is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, angle DBA is equal to 90 degrees. Now, in triangle DAB, angle ADB we need. Angle ADB is equal to, you can say that sum of the angles in any triangle, this is 90 we know, this is 90 minus theta we know. So, you can say that 180 minus of 90 plus 90 minus theta. So, what it becomes? It becomes simple theta. 180 minus 180 plus theta. So, you can put here this is theta. Whenever the angle BDA is theta, since angle BDA or angle ADB, since angle ADB is theta, that implies angle ACB equal to also theta. The explanation is angle in same segment. Angle in same segment. Whenever angle in same segment is theta, so this is also theta. Now, what is happening? The angle subtended by this chord AB, that is theta, angle subtended by the chord of circle at any point, not only here, anywhere you can take, is equal to angle made by the tangent comma chord at the point of contact. This theta becomes this theta. Depends upon this concept, we can do that sum. This is the concept and sum is different. 21 question. Now let us going to discuss about 21st question. A chord of circle, observe that the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y equal to 0 passing through origin. So the circle is passing through origin. So the tangent also should pass through origin. Observe the options, every option is there which is having no constraint. So no optional verification, sums we should do. A chord of circle passing through the origin subtend an angle tan inverse 7.4 at the point where the circle meets the positive y-axis. Take here, this is a positive y-axis. This is theta. So you should calculate this theta, it is enough because it is tangent. Put here AB, this is C, this is D. Angle BCA is equal to theta is equal to angle BAD, tangent D. A chord of circle passing through here, put here you can put 0, 0. That is the positive y-axis. Circle you write as x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y equal to 0. It subtend an angle tan inverse 7 at the point. So we should calculate the equation of tangent at 0, 0 and the angle made by the tangent and the according to options. So verify option as it is a chord. Okay. Now let us going to discuss about equation of tangent at 0, 0. Equation of tangent at 0, 0. Formula S1 equal to 0. Using S1 equal to 0, xx1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1, we can say this is a 2x plus 3y equal to 0. 2x plus 3y equal to 0. This is the tangent. Using this 2x plus 3y equal to 0, by verification of option, we can find angle. Verification of option 2. Here this is slope option 2, I am writing 2x minus y, x plus 2y, not 2x minus y, x plus 2y equal to 0. To make us confused, he given first option also. First option is the equation of line passing through origin, but it is equation of tangent directly given. So it is not equation of chord. Equation of chord and tangent is separately different. That is why I am verifying second option. If it is not second option, we can verify third and fourth also. Using M1, M2 concept. Here M1 is the slope of the line tangent. Here M2 is the slope of the chord. M1 use the formula tan theta is equal to modulus of M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 M2. M1 minus M2 by modulus of M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 M2. Tan theta is equal to, here put minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 by 2x minus x plus 2y is the second option. X plus 2y. So minus 1 by 2. Maybe it is second option not making possible. Verify third option. Because 7 by 4 we should get the answer. So second option is not possible. Third option is that x minus 2y equal to 0, students. Second option is not possible. So change the slope as 1 by 2. Using the formula minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So both are, so here you can write 1 minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. 1 minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. 4, 2 these are 4, 4 minus 3, 7 by 6, 3 these are 6, 6 minus 4. So you can say here theta is equal to tan inverse 7 by 4. Verified third option. Now let us going to discuss about 22nd question. 22nd question. If the pair of lines ax square plus the pair of line is given in the form of ax square plus 2x square plus by square is equal to 0 model. According to that one given condition also be given. If the pair of lines ax square plus 2 into a plus b into x square plus by square equal to 0 lie along the diameter of circle and divide the circle into 4 sectors such that the area of the one of the sector is thrice the area of another sectors, then students, this is most IMP question in any standard book. You can face this question. IMP for mains. Draw the diagram like this. Pair of lines which are passing through origin. The formula of ax square plus 2hx square plus by square equal to, if the pair of lines along diameters, this is the center C, 0, 0. Pair of lines along the diameter of circle divide the circle into 4 sectors. Yes, in 4 sectors we can put here. Better to put names. This is AB and this is CD. This is center O you put. So OCA sectors are OCB, OCA, OAD and OBD are sectors. These are 4 sectors. 4 sectors. The sectors also given the condition as such that the area of the one sector is thrice the area of another sector. So if it is large sector, is they are taking full large sector, one area is 3 times of another sector. Then you can understand like this. If it is theta, this is, we know that like this you should understand. This is 2 pi minus theta because the angle at the center is 360 degrees. This is small angle, this is large angle, 2 pi minus theta. Condition, area of sector, let us make you to remember area of sector. Area of sector formula A is equal to r square theta by 2. R square means radius and theta means angle made by the sector at the center. Now condition I am writing. Condition. 3 into small area is equal to 1 area. So r square into a angle you should write like this. 2 pi minus theta by 2. By 2 get cancelled. R square also get cancelled. 3 theta is equal to 2 pi minus theta. Don't write like this theta is equal to pi by 2. Because whenever you write theta is equal to pi by 2, simply the answer will be like this. You will not get the answer. To make in our manner, to get the answer, here you should write apply tan theta both sides. Applying tan both sides. That implies tan 3 theta. Tan 3 theta is equal to tan of 2 pi minus theta. Tan 3 theta is equal to tan of 2 pi minus theta. Tan 3 theta formula 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta is equal to minus tan theta. That implies You can write here by dividing tan theta both sides, 3 minus tan square theta is equal to minus 1 plus 3 tan square theta. This 1 minus 1 taken this side and minus tan square theta taken this side. You can write as 4 minus 4 is equal to 4 tan square theta. 4 is equal to 4 tan square theta and tan square theta is equal to 1. This is useful thing. Now you should write the given pair of lines. Given pair of lines equation as given pair of lines is ax square plus 2 into a plus b into xy, ax square plus 2 into a plus b into xy plus by square is equal to 0 is the given pair of lines equation. Combined equation of two lines given as ax square plus 2 into a plus b into xy plus by square is equal to 0. Among the pair of lines, you can calculate the angle tan theta is equal to, depends upon the formula I am writing first of all, 2 root h square minus ab by modulus of a plus b. Whenever you are doing a square, tan square theta is equal to, you can write 4 into h square minus ab by a plus b. That implies, here write 1, from 1 I am writing. From 1, tan square theta equal to 1, we can write tan square theta is equal to 1 is equal to, among this one, 4 into 4h square minus 4ab you can write. 4h square means, students, this is of course 2h whole square. This is 2h. 2h is 2 into a plus b. So you can write now 4 into a plus b whole square minus 4ab by, simply here a plus b means a plus b whole square you can write here also. A plus b whole square. Whenever it is 1, by taking cross multiplication, we can write a plus b whole square is equal to 4 into a plus b whole square minus 4ab. This a plus b taken this side, it becomes 3 into a plus b whole square. 3 into a plus b whole square minus 4ab is equal to 0. So by expanding we can get here 3a square plus 6ab minus 4ab. So you can write like this, 3a square plus 2ab plus 3b square equal to 0. Remember, this is as a formula, don't forget, this is most IMP question for mains. Plenty of times given in MSET also, this is most IMP question. In many competitive exams you can get the, you can face this question, so don't forget, put an underline and IMP star mark also. Now 23rd question, this is also IMP question. In old book this is 594 question. In circles chapter, in previous books there will be there are 696 questions in total, level 1, level 2, level 3. In there, this is 594 question, most IMP question, which I am going to discuss now, the 23rd question. 23rd question also important, and this is conceptual question. 23rd question. 3 coins of unit radius are placed. 3 coins of unit radius are placed in an equilateral triangle as shown in the following figure, the area of equilateral triangle. Let us discuss about the diagram. Three coins. These are 3 coins of having unit radius, which are inscribed in an equilateral triangle. Put ABC name here. Put here C1, C2, C3 like this. This is a coin having center C1, this is center C2, and this is center C3. Join C1 and C2. He given us the radius is 1. So from center to any point on the circle is called as radius. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Join like this. Join like this. Then you may get the answer now. Put here P comma Q. That's all. Now, let us going to discuss about AB and CQ. Now I am drawing the triangle like this. Here PQ. This is 90 degrees. Because it is nothing but in radius concept. Because it is a small r. Small r is 1. It is A. Whenever a triangle is equilateral triangle, every angle is 60 degrees. Every angle is 60 degrees. If we draw a line AC1, if we extend like this, it becomes an angular bisector or internal bisector. Whenever it is internal bisector, 60 degrees will be dividing into two equal parts. You can put here as 30 degrees. This is as 30 degrees. 30 degrees. So AP, you don't know, simply leave it as AP. Now in triangle APQ, you can write tan 30 degrees is equal to, tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by AP. What is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 equal to 1 by AP. Therefore, AP is equal to root 3. Similarly, we get CQ is equal to also root 3. Put here CQ is equal to root 3 and AP is equal to root 3. Now you can write side of a triangle. Side of a triangle ABC is equal to root 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus root 3. Understood? Because this is 1, this is 1. 1 plus 1. So PQ meaning itself is a 2. Every angle in triangle is 60 degrees. That's all. That is the main concept here. If you can able to understand, you can understand this one as 30 and 30 easily. This is 30 and 30 because this is angular bisector. Now side small a you indicate with small a. You can write this one as 2 plus 2 root 3. Now area is asking. Area of triangle ABC, that to equitriangle. Area of equitriangle formula root 3 by 4 a square. You can write here this one root 3 by 4 into 2 plus 2 root 3 whole square. 2 taken common, root 4 get cancelled. So root 3 into 1 plus root 3 whole square is there. Root 3 into this is 1 plus 2 root 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 it is 6. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6. 6 root 3 plus root 3 into root 3 3, 3 to the 6. Two taken common here, 2 plus 2 root 3 is correct. Root 3 by 4 into a square, 2 plus 2 root 3 whole square. Whenever 2 taken common, it becomes 1 plus root 3 whole square. 1 plus this is 2 root 3 and this is 3. 3 plus 1 4. Root 3 into this is 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 2 root 3 you can write. By multiplication we can get root 3 into root 3, 3 to the 6. 6 plus 4 root 3 is the area. 6 plus 4 root 3 is the area of the equilateral triangle. Let us discuss 24th question. If one of the diameters of circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 6 equal to 0 is a chord to the circle with center root 2 comma 1, then radius of the circle. One of the diameter of the circle. I am writing circle equation x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 6 equal to 0. Center is equal to 1 comma 2. Center is equal to 1 comma 2 and r is equal to 1 plus 1 comma 3. One plus 9 minus 6. Center is equal to 1 comma 2 he given. So radius according to concept here 1 plus 9 minus 6, 10 minus 6, 4, so radius 2 we can write x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 6 equal to 0 is the circle. If one of the diameter of circle is a chord of circle with center 2, 1, draw diagram. One of the diameters of circle, this diameter is a chord of another circle. This diameter is a chord of another circle. Put like this. Is a chord of another circle. Maybe like this. If one diameter of the circle is chord of, okay, this is the diameter, this is a chord of another circle with center 2, 1 given. We should calculate about the radius of another circle. Put this is s is equal to 0 means given circle. S equal to 0 is given circle. Let this is s dash equal to 0, this is to find out. Find that circle radius you should calculate. Then radius of circle. What is the diameter he given? This is radius here. Now we should calculate diameter. Then the radius of other circle. Radius of other circle you should calculate. Now draw like this. This is the radius of second circle. 2, 1 is the center of the given circle. So using 1, 3. Using center is there, this is 2 is there. Here 1, 3 center is there. Of course the diameter is nothing but lie on the center. So 1, 3 using, put here this is a C1 and a C2. C1 is equal to 1, 3, C2 is equal to 2, 1. Whatever the circle you should calculate C2 you write. C2 is equal to 2, 1. Now C1, C2 you calculate. C1, C2 means the distance between 2, 1 and 1, 3. 2 minus 1 whole square 1 and 1 minus 3 whole square 4. So root 5. C1, C2 is equal to root 5. Put here this is a P. So C1P is equal to 2 given. So now to calculate the radius of another circle, to find R, that is equal to C2P using right triangle concept. Using, you can write here as C2P whole square. C2P whole square is equal to C1 C2 whole square plus C1P whole square. C1 C2 whole square plus C1P whole square. So here you can write 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So you got C2P whole square as 9. Therefore required radius R is equal to C2P is equal to 3. It is third option. (24) completed. 25. Students, I said the 25th question as the same model of second question. Later on I said, and it's third, fourth option. You verify, you try yourself. Next, let us going to discuss about 26th question. Depends upon permutations and combinations after this is also IMP. Not only this question, this model question, he can change names and numbers also. This is important model. The number of points x comma y having integral coordinates satisfying the condition x plus y square less than 25. He is asking about number of integral coordinates, that to x square plus y square less than 25. So like this, so many. How many we can discuss? We are having the numbers from 0 to 9. Originally we are having the number 0 to 9. If we substitute here 9 square equal to 81, it is wrong. The numbers, whatever the value will be given lesser than 25, that only you should substitute. Now, let us to satisfy, I am writing here. To satisfy x square plus y square less than 25, we can have the numbers plus or minus 4, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4 including 0. Try to understand. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because 4 square is 16, 3 square is 25. Like whatever the numbers are not possible, we can eliminate it. Total how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers are there. For x 9 numbers and for y 9 numbers. Total how many cases are there? For x 9 numbers. For x is equal to 9 numbers. Possibilities I am saying we can have, not sure. For y 9 numbers. So 9 into 9 we have 81 cases. We have 9 into 9 for x and y. 81 cases. Among them failure cases. Among them failure cases is equal to what are failure cases? If you substitute 3, 4, 3 square plus 4 square 25, it is wrong. If you substitute like this 3, 4, it is wrong. If you substitute 4, 3, it is wrong. Of course, what is 3, 4? In this 4 cases are there. Plus 3, plus, minus, plus, minus. Total 4 cases are not possible. If you substitute minus 3 square plus 4 square, minus 3 square, minus 4 square, like this, it is not possible. So, 4 cases. Failure cases I am writing. 4 cases. This is also 4 cases. And again I am writing 4, 4 also not possible. Whatever the numbers we have taken, 4 cases. So, failure cases equal to 12 cases. Therefore, required numbers now. Total chances minus failure cases. You can learn this one in permutations and combinations concept. 9 square minus 12. 9 square is 81, total chances minus among them failure cases 81. So, 69 cases are there. To get the values, to get the integral coordinates below of the circle such that x square plus y square less than 25. Now, let us discuss about 28th question. The equation of circumcircle of the quadrilateral formed by 4 lines. Equation of circumcircle. Quadrilateral formed by 4 lines, x plus y plus or minus 1 equal to 0. Let us draw like this: x plus y plus 1 equal to 0, x plus y minus 1 equal to 0, and x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. X minus y plus 1 equal to 0, x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. The equation of circumcircle of the triangle. X plus y plus 1 equal to 0. According to intercepts, we can write now. Whenever you take the x plus y plus 1 equal to 0, x intercept is minus 1 and y intercept is also minus 1. So everything depends upon the intercept. Put here 1, minus 1, here minus 1 and here 1. So x plus y minus 1, both lines are negative. The line you will be doing like this. Here x plus y 1, both lines are positive, you can get like this. Here x is equal to x intercept minus 1 and y intercept 1. So minus 1, 1, you get the answer like this. And this is another line. Now he is asking the circumcircle. The equation of circumcircle of the quadrilateral of the 4 lines. The circle which touches all the 4 vertices. This is the center 0, 0. So what you can say, from center to any point on the circle is called as radius. Directly you can say r is equal to 1. So center is 0, 0 according to the point of intersection of coordinate axis. So circumcircle is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 1 directly. Now let us going to discuss about 29th question. A circle passes through the origin. A circle passes through the origin and intersect the coordinate axis at A and B. The circle passes through the origin, intersect at coordinates A and B. Twenty-ninth question. A circle passes through the origin and intersect the coordinates A and B if L, M are lengths of perpendiculars from A, B respectively to the tangent of the circle at the origin, then the diameter of the circle. This is also IMP question. Everything depends upon standard questions. Circle intersect the coordinates. Draw like this. Put here, passing through origin. Put here O 0, 0. Put here A. A here small a, 0. B 0, B. Whenever circle passes through 0, 0 and having intercept small a, B on the coordinates respective, the equation of circle formula plenty of times we discussed as x square plus y square minus x minus b equal to 0. Equation of circle. Equation of such circle is x square plus y square minus ax minus by equal to 0. It is the equation of circle. Now, he is going to discuss with us that a circle, if L, M are lengths of perpendicular from A, B to the tangent of the circle at origin. You draw the tangent at origin here. At origin tangent is there. L, M are lengths of perpendicular drawn from A, B to this tangent. Tangent at origin. So this is L. Put here P and put here Q. So AP is equal to L and BQ is equal to M. So we should calculate the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent at 0, 0 to this circle 1. Equation of tangent at 0, 0. Formula S1 equal to 0, x1 plus y1 plus z into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 equal to 0. So x into 0 plus y into 0 minus a by 2 into x plus minus a by 2 into x minus b by 2 into y equal to 0. Divide with 2 or multiply with 2, it becomes ax plus by equal to 0. Ax plus by equal to 0. He is saying that AB is equal to, AP means length of perpendicular from A, 0 to the tangent. L is equal to A square by, because the concept formula ax1 plus b1 by plus c by root of a square plus b square. L is equal to a square by root of a square plus b square. Similarly, BQ is equal to M is equal to b square by root of a square plus b square. Now you can write. Now L plus M is equal to a square plus b square by root of a square plus b square. You can write this one as root of a square plus b square. So what is root of a square plus b square? According to here the condition OA is equal to A and OB is equal to B and AB is equal to root of a square plus b square. So according to question, he is asking about AB respect to tangent at the origin and the diameter is AB. AB is equal to diameter. AB is equal to diameter according to right angle triangle concept. So A square plus B square. Therefore, AB equal to diameter is equal to L plus M. You can understand this one as in shortcut manner also. Simply whatever the L is perpendicular from A to tangent, from perpendicular from B to tangent. So L plus M is the value of AB. Okay students, let us discuss in next class.